In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on ILV future while examining the Illuvium cost conjecture for 2022 and past amazingly. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to think about this and some other forecast while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything is a difficult errand, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like Illuvium. Presently, we should head into it in a sort of large manner. Before we dig profound into the Illuvium value expectation and answer questions in the event that ILV basically is a by and large wise venture or not, for what reason will ILV succeed or generally come up short, or for what reason will Illuvium value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what ILV is and its to-date history, which is very critical. ILV value expectation for the following 90 days. The entire crypto world for the most part is on an edge of an undeniable really bear market, which is genuinely huge. Bitcoin has drooped half from its unsurpassed high in the midst of a more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion, and US took care of rate builds, in spite of mainstream thinking. Financial backers are selling unsafe resources and moving into considerably more steady business sectors, which is genuinely huge. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally unsafe play, and thus the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This sort of is explicitly reflected in our 2022 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin actually needs to by and large find a really nearby base before we can move in the kind of inverse heading and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will for the most part begin to especially do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the removed and later history. Our cost expectation model fundamentally is negative for the following 90 days, with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2 in a kind of large manner. We for the most part expect whales and certainly other kind of greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a common and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and key evaluation of each venture, which is very huge. Essentials that we assess explicitly are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few fundamentally other exclusive elements created in our crypto lab. Illuvium value expectation 2022, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Most of specialists certainly concur that this bear market will endure essentially for the main quarter of 2022 preceding. We see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions in an unpretentious manner. Expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds as needs be. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 October minus 15.67%, $59.04. 2022 November in a significant manner. Minus 31.63%, $47.87. 2022 December, or so they generally thought. Minus 27.01%, $51.10. 2023 January minus 20.19%, $55.88. 2023 February in an unpretentious manner. Minus 8.17%, $64.29. 2023 blemish. Plus 0.68%, $70.49. 2023 April plus 10.23%, $77.17. 2023 May. Plus 13.26%, $79.29. 2023 June plus 22.56%, $85.81. 2023 July plus 26.55%, $88.60. 2023 August, which is genuinely critical. Plus 45.60%, $101.94. 2023 September plus 48.50%, $103.97. ILV value expectation 2025 in an unpretentious manner. Our expectation model sees ILV coming to $182.03 in 2025 in an unpretentious manner. What will ILV generally be exceptionally worth in 5 years? The cost of ILV in 5 years could basically lie around $159.07. Illuvium Value Forecast 2030 to 2040. What Illuvium will commonly be worth in 2030 in an unpretentious manner. Our estimating model sees Illuvium coming to $455.07 in 2030 in a by and large significant manner. What Illuvium will especially be worth in 2040. Our estimating model sees Illuvium coming to $910.15 in 2040, or so they thought. Will Illuvium supplant, generally outperform, surpass Bitcoin, which is genuinely huge? No, Illuvium won't especially supplant or surpass BTC. Is Illuvium especially worth purchasing? We basically are promoters of tolerably dangerous money management. Truly put a majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a crate of enormous cap coins and the rest in little undertakings with immense potential gain, which is very critical. Thus, in this specific circumstance, Illuvium is truly worth purchasing. Is Illuvium an especially wise speculation? Illuvium is, very much like any remaining cryptographic forms of money, a dangerous speculation. Kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. It really does basically have a lot higher likelihood of going up than down in light of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, genuinely dynamic local area and a very strong group behind it in an unpretentious manner. How much will Illuvium for the most part be exceptionally worth in an unobtrusive manner? For the genuinely momentary future, it could reach $39.91. In every way that really matters, long haul, 8 to 10 years, it could leap to $455.07 or even certainly higher in a significant manner. For what reason will Illuvium explicitly succeed and essentially get more expensive? Illuvium basically has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. These sort of aren't essential for progress, and that basically is the reason our expectation model sees Illuvium ascending to $455.07 in 2030. For what reason will Illuvium come up short and drop in cost? Crypto projects fizzle in light of multiple factors. Probably the most widely recognized ones are, group denounces any kind of authority and leaves the venture, controllers truly pronounce it unlawful and press trades to delist it. Absence of media consideration, substantially more fruitful contenders, absence of very much planned showcasing procedure, losing local area support, likely weakness in the convention, neglecting to explicitly